Hello everyone, it's Lydia here again on Native Plant PNW, and I want to talk about our strawberries. We have 3 types of native strawberries that you can be growing in your garden right now, and it's berry season. Things are starting to fruit and soon we'll be able to pick them. So let me show you the 3 types of strawberries that you can have in your garden and why I recommend them. This right here is the wood or forest strawberry. It's one of our 3, the other 2 being the wild strawberry and the beach strawberry, and I will show those in just a minute. But the best thing about strawberries is that they make an excellent ground cover, plus they provide fruit. They provide these runners that grow out of the mother plant to make new plants. This one, they haven't really solidified their status in the dirt yet, but this is one. There's a second one that is producing and a third, and it's going to continue to do so as a runner throughout this garden. And before they take root, you can control the direction of these, and if you like where it lands, you can put just a piece of mulch there or rock or dirt to kind of keep it in place, and it will self-root and grow and become another plant. That's why I love strawberries. They're a great native ground cover. This right here is the wild strawberry, another of our native plants that I have growing. Notice the pink petals. That might be a distinction between the 3, but I've also seen photos of these being white, but the flower pattern is much larger, so that is the bigger clue. And finally, while not in bloom, this is the beach strawberry, and they do have a darker, glossier leaf color and pattern, but these are the beach strawberries, and that's our 3rd variety. I don't know why these aren't in bloom right now. Could be that it's a little too late to catch them in bloom. I don't really remember. I had to transplant these, but that is our 3rd type, and these flourish along our coastal regions of Washington down into Oregon. Unlike our cultivated varieties, these don't last as long and they don't get as big. If you do find them as you're out and about, only pick just a handful, don't over harvest, and bring something like a cooler or with an ice pack in there to keep them fresh. They last about 24 hours once picked. They're great for in the garden because you get fresh picked strawberries that you can add to your salads, or you can make a compote or a jam out of, but they are really, really tiny, about the size of the strawberries on my earrings actually. And so they're not going to be as big and productive, but they do make a great little snack. And like I said, an excellent ground cover for the garden. So if you're looking for something native to put in your garden beds, I suggest the native strawberries.